In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a product link on Alibaba 2025, step by step. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your favorite web browser and go to alibaba.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Being logged in helps ensure you can access the full product details and that the page displays correctly for your region. Next, use the search bar at the top of the home page to look for the product you want. Type in a clear, specific phrase, like the product name, material, or model, and press enter. You can refine results using the filters on the left, but the main goal here is simply to find the exact listing you want to share. Once you spot the right item, click the product listing to open its detail page. Some people prefer opening it in a new tab so they can keep their search results visible. But as long as the product page is open, you're good to go. Wait a second for the page to fully load so the correct link appears. Now move to the address bar at the very top of your browser. You can click once in the address bar to highlight the link, or use a quick shortcut, Ctrl+L on Windows or CMD+L on Mac, to select the entire URL instantly. When it's highlighted, you're ready to copy. To copy the link, right-click the highlighted address and choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. Either way, the full product URL is now on your clipboard. If you accidentally click away and the highlighting disappears, just reselect the address bar and try again. Finally, paste the link wherever you need to share it: an email, a chat message, a document, or your notes. Click into the destination field and use Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. Or right-click and choose Paste. Give the link a quick glance after pasting to make sure it looks complete and hasn't been cut off. A quick recap: go to alibaba.com and sign in, search for your product, open the product listing, select the address in the browser's address bar, copy it, and paste it wherever you need. That's all there is to it. These steps work the same way across major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, and the keyboard shortcuts are a reliable way to speed things up. If you follow this workflow, you'll be able to share accurate product links quickly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.